Today, I'm going to show you how to create a multi-ponytail in less than 5 minutes. All you need are hair elastic bands and some bobby pins. All of the products that I'm using, the links to those products will be in the description below. If you found any of this content helpful, please hit the thumbs up button, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. If you have any comments or if you'd like me to make some other type of video, please leave it in the comments below. So let's get started. So first, all you're going to need are some elastic bands and some bobby pins. So I'm going to take part of my hair, like this. I'm going to kind of pull it back with my finger so it's smooth. And I'm going to just create a ponytail. And I'm going to tighten it up so that it's higher, and it looks like this from the side. Then I'm going to take the next piece, kind of right a little bit lower than the top of my ear, and I'm going to pull that hair, and I'm going to create another ponytail. And I'm going to tighten it up. I'm going to pull this piece out a little bit. I'm just going to take the rest of my hair, all of the rest of my hair, and I'm going to take another elastic band and create another ponytail. And I'm going to make that ponytail kind of like the center of my neck. It looks like this. And I'm just going to pull a little bit out and tighten it. And so now I have this much hair left. So you're going to add elastic bands all the way down the rest of your hair. So this is what it looks like so far. And I'm going to add the last one. And this is the final look here. You can always just pull it in the front like this. You can leave it in the back like this, but this is the final look. Again, you can tighten these and pull them out a little bit more if you want to give it a different kind of look. I like to pull a little bit out at the top, and then I like to bobby pin this piece. Just gives it a little bit more of an edgy look. And then I kind of sometimes pull the side pieces out a little bit. So there you have it, a multi-ponytail in less than 5 minutes. Very cute look, keeps your hair out of your face. You can wear it to the gym, you can wear it to the dance studio, or if you're going out and you don't have a lot of time to do your hair, this is a quick, fun look. Now for the bonus. So sometimes when I go to dance class, I don't want my hair flopping around. So I can create another look quickly by just removing a couple of these hair bands. And I only have 2 of the ponytails at this point. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to create another ponytail, but instead I'm going to pull out a little bit of this ponytail and leave this little piece here. And then I'm going to take the rest of my hair and I'm going to slip it in between the elastic bands of the other 2. I'm going to pull this one through. And as I pull this one through, I still have a little bit of hair left, so I'm going to take it all the way to the top and put it through the last band, the rest of this hair, and voila. If I have a piece hanging at the top like that, I'm just going to take a bobby pin and pin it down. And voila, you have a different look. Your hair is not hanging down. Now it's all tied back. So this is the bonus look. I'll see you in the next video.